Hello everyone, I am Aravinthishan. I am studying English class. Today I am going to talk about a start story. The title of the story, Cleaning. Once upon a time there was a family in a city. There was one day they going to clean the house. All are cleaning the house, but a boy does not clean the house. Her father tells to give the water to the plant. He give the water to the plant and came, and he don't do anything. And her father tells to him, clean the table and your studying room. He cleaned. After they cleaned the house, they was very happy. That boy does not clean her playing room. The reason her father was telling to her to clean the playing room, but he does not clean the room. Her father told again and again, but he won't. Moral of the story: you want to keep your things clean and neat. Thank you. Have a nice day.